How to create dividends for yourself. This is what I love to do. I'm very passionate about this stuff because it's so easy, it's amazing. And for me, I really have created so many dividends for myself, over $2,300 by doing this. And that's a lot of money when you stop and think about it, especially when you consider the work involved and how it's awesome. So for those of you that, what does it have to do with trading? A lot to do with trading, because if you want to trade, you need money. Anywhere you can create money for yourself, that is better because that means you have more money to trade and invest with. Now, this is all based on the idea that a penny saved is a penny earned. This also revolves around the idea that you've got to know that you're going to be spending this money anyway. So this is not one of those situations where, oh wow, let's go spend money so I can create these dividends. No, that's working against you. But if you know that you're going to spend your money on something,
take my money,
then this is something that you should absolutely do because it's going to create a dividend for you. And I'm going to walk you through and create a dividend with you right now because my family, it's movie night. We like to have pizza, and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to create a nice little 18% dividend for myself. So we're on Raise.com. I'll put a link down below, and if you go use that link, you'll get $5 off of your first order. So you'll create a dividend and then get $5 more on top of that. But like I said, my family likes Domino's, so we're gonna come down to oh, it actually went up. I was just checking it was 18%. Now it's 18.0%. So I'm gonna click on that, and let's come down here and click on that. Let's go to discount, high to low. No, 18.10. It's going up even more. But what's going on here is this. It's a discount gift card site. So what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to buy $25 worth of purchasing power, but in order to get $25 of purchasing power, I'm actually only going to spend $20.48, which is the equivalent of 18.1% discount. Again, I know that we're going to have pizza tonight. So I'm not just doing it just to get 18%. It's gonna happen regardless, so why not get 18%? So instead of paying $25, I'm paying less than that. Penny saved, penny earned, that's extra money in my pocket. That's what a dividend's all about. So I'm gonna add this to my cart. There we go. Proceed to checkout. And submit my order. And there we go. I have now purchased $25 for $20.48. No, I'm not looking to start a pizza battle. Maybe you think I'm a savage barbarian for even thinking Domino's is good pizza. Fine, I'm not looking to start that. But there's a whole lot more than just Domino's Pizza that's on the site. So maybe you're doing some sort of home project. You know you're gonna do the home project, so you're not doing it just to get savings and create a dividend. Well, let's go to Lowe's and see what they're offering for Lowe's. So cart, no, discount, we want high to low. And then check this out. Now you can also go from, the discounts from this or from, the size of the value. So depending on how big of a project it is, so maybe you need something that's $250. Maybe that's enough, maybe that's too much, maybe you need way more. But even think about that. Big home project, especially if, let's say it's a $1,000 home project. Right there, what's 4.5% on $1,000? That would be a good dividend. If you could put $1,000 into something and get 4.8%. And again, this all happens immediately and then in a click of a button. And I think I lied to you. Earlier on in the video, I think I might have mentioned $2,300, but it's actually over $2,600 in dividends that I've created. But yeah, you can see right here, over $2,600 savings to date. And then just to show you the rest of how it all works. So it's all instantaneous. I got the gift card emailed to me immediately, and you can see again, value, put $4.52 in my pocket, which is that nice juicy dividend of 18.1%.
Pretty doggone amazing if you ask.
And that is why Raise.com is one of my favorite sites. Go there, create a dividend for yourself on the money that you're gonna be spending anyways, and it's amazing how things can add up. It can add up quickly and surprisingly in a big way. When I look at that $2,600, like I said, there's a lot I can do with $2,600 that I've saved over the years. So go get signed up with Raise, use that link down below, because again, using that link, now full transparency, I think I'll also get $5, but if you use that link, you'll add on $5 under your initial dividend. And yeah, just use that link.
Do it. Do it.
So I hope this helps. I hope you can go out there, start to save yourself some money, penny saved, penny earned. Go out there, create some dividends. And again, use that link down below. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.